placed. It's just not pretty.
Ugly.
So we make a pretty one piece. Put it in there nice. Way to go. So I gotta cut this here. I want to leave this set up. Cut this over like this for now. And then once I get this welded on, when I put the cap in here, I'll cut this whole piece out and weld my new piece in. But this is just for reference here. This is coming off because I don't need this no more. Nice new piece of metal in there. New body mount upper plate. We got new bottom plate that we're just waiting for the cage nuts to come in to weld them in place. And now we're gonna finish up all up in here and then lay on the pieces, put the quarter on, reset everything on the inside, make sure everything's exactly where I want it, tack it, pull the quarter off, and weld the hell out of it.
We got everything pretty much lining up. If you see the style lines, everything is pretty much flowing naturally how it's supposed to go. Even if you come up here, the gap for the quarter to the door is looking great already, you know, and this is pre even getting welded in, but you already got it fit and you can see how good everything is going to be. Also the style lines here, you know, everything looks amazing. We just got a held on clamp magnet. Another thing that you don't want to miss neither is, you know, how everything lines up all down here. You know, this is original. Obviously, we're finding more sinkholes the more and more you strip. This is another, you know, example number 99 why we recommend stripping everything to the metal, because you're gonna miss things like this if you automatically assume even the cracks and crevices are okay.
There's gonna be more. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yes, yes, yes.
A lot of little, you know, other pieces that was fine that have to be made, but when this car is done, this is gonna be a solid, strong MF. You know, like this is gonna be a nice one. So, and I just like how clean everything Mr. Rich got it going. So, shout out Mr. Lofton and Clearmont. You know, we got you. It was a long time coming. We was waiting on the quarters. We got the parts in. Now we cooking. We got an update surprise on the frame situation. So y'all stay tuned. We got you coming.
Oh yeah. Yeah, then we're gonna cut the old crap out. Yeah, that'll weld in nice. A little tinker right here to bring this in. It will be good. Be right on there nice. Yeah, right from here down. Gotta get tinkered just a little bit. All new, this is new. This is on the quarter panels, it's coming off. This is on the body. We're using this inner lip here
As a guide.
As a guide before we put the quarter on. But this is welded to the panel, so when we pull the panel off, the piece, you know, for the tail light is done. Or for the bumper, I should say, not the tail light.
I'm gonna line up pretty damn good.
Yeah, it's lined up nice. I mean, we've got good quarter lines here. We're looking good there. You pull that in. I mean, she's clean. We took out some of that bend that was in it from the factory. But I mean, she's gonna go on nice.
Man, I know, Mr. Lofton, you want to reach through that camera and give us a hug right now. We received it. We received it. We got you. Don't even worry about it. I know it was a long time coming. I know it was waiting on the quarter panel. I understand the delay. The little frame was a little shaky. We got you covered, my brother.
I got it so I can pull it over. I gotta nip the top of this to bring it down below the style line just a little bit. We're getting everything. I got the plate made for the top. And I got the two side back leg plates made for the edges. And now just cleaning up some shit that's gotta get trimmed. Right now is making everything fit. Got a nice seam on the outer panel with the wheel well around the wheel opening. I got the two side pieces made here and here. Once that's all welded up, cleaned up, ground up, primed up, then we'll go back to putting the quarter on. You listen to that, it's, you know, it's like twice as thick. He could blow a tire up and it ain't gonna do much damage to the wheel well. Hopefully he doesn't, but he could.